Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So in today's video I wanted to show you how I moisturize and detangle my baby's hair using the aloe vera gel. Giant! So I start off by removing these little rubber bands that I put on his hair. He's had these for about a week now, and I always do it like every week. And this is kind of like his little protective hairstyle. But anyways, I will go ahead and use the olive oil cream on my hands and also on the rat tail comb, so that way it's, you know, because his hair is already dry, so it won't break off his hair or anything like that. Next, I prepare the aloe vera. Usually I'll go ahead and mix it, especially for the girls, but because his head is not, you know, huge, and I didn't want to lose the sliminess, I think I'll start doing this for the girls as well. I feel like the sliminess, once you mix it, it just gets lost in the mixture. So I didn't want to go through that. I just went ahead and what's the word? I can't think right now. It's super early in the morning, but that's pretty much what I did to just make sure I don't have those little white residue and get most of the gel out by itself. And then I started applying on his hair. I think I should have cut more aloe vera just because I didn't get enough products, because obviously I didn't mix it. If I was mixing it, the amount of aloe vera that I cut up was just fine, but because I was not mixing it, I should have cut more aloe vera. So that's just something that I learned in the process, but next time I would do much better. But anyways, I just start massaging it through his hair, and as I was just, you know, applying it through, it was making his hair so soft. The more slimy it is, the much better it is to me. I feel like it was just so much easier to use, and it was just defining his curl in the process as well. So I kind of use it as a pre-poo, a detangler, a moisturizer at the same time, so I can comb those kinks out. So I used the little grocery bag and let it sit for about 15 minutes just because I needed it to really penetrate his hair very well and have that little heat going on, which helps a lot with the scalp. So yeah, but I was watching him the whole time, so don't even don't worry, I was watching him the whole time and he was just like, what's this on my head? But yeah, I left it in for about 15 minutes. So I used the Aveeno Baby Wash and Shampoo to rinse off his hair, and after I was done, his hair still felt very soft, very moisturized. So I will definitely 100,000% recommend aloe vera gel because it just does the trick. So I really loved it, and after I was done, I just let his hair air dry just a little bit because baby boy was ready for his milk and for bed, so I didn't take too long. And then I just used the olive oil again, the cream, and then I used the castor oil, the organic castor oil that I got from Amazon. I used that and it was all done. And then I put his hair back into that protective hairstyle again, which is totally gangster. But yeah, I did that, and voila, baby boy was so sleepy, but here it is. He's just like waiting to get his milk. And voila, this is the finished product. He didn't even want me to touch his hair after that, so I just let him sit down and he's just chilling watching TV. So yeah, that is the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the like button. It really helps. And let me know in the comment section below if you use aloe vera to like detangle your hair, or you know, what do you use aloe vera for? Like, do you use it for your hair only, or your face, your skin? What do you use aloe vera for? And I'll catch you guys in my next video very, very soon. I love you guys. God bless. Bye.